Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I'm here with a recipe for sore throat relief, and I had a very bad sore throat last week and my voice is still not right. So this is for that painful sore throat, you feel so much pain that you'll be scared to even swallow, and especially at night it can get worse. You wake up from your sleep with that pain. So this drink will give you instant relief for that pain. Okay, so this drink is with spices. It's with the regular spices that we use for curry, and nothing harmful, and everyone can have it. I am pregnant at the moment, so I have to be careful with what I take, and this is just spices. So when I had this sore throat, I really wanted something that will give me instant relief, and I found this very helpful, this recipe, so I thought I will share it. And who can have this? Yes, everyone can have it, and for kids starting from 9 years I think it will be okay if they can take the spice level. It's not that spicy, it should be fine. And for kids from 4 to 8 years I will show you a different recipe, and I have added it at the end of this video. Okay, and as I said, for pregnant women it's okay. I'm pregnant at the moment. I'm 32 weeks pregnant, and I feel a lot better now. I don't have that pain after a week, sore throat pain, but just the cough. Okay, so let's see how to make this recipe. So here is the ingredients, and you can see for one-time use and for bulk powder I have added the ingredients, and this has cinnamon, pepper, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, cloves, and for sweetness you can add honey or sugar and water. So for bulk powder, you can see that yellow cup on the right, it's saying hi to you. So you can make it in bulk and store. So this is for one-time use. So I'm taking a small piece of cinnamon. This is cinnamon stick, and just take a small tiny piece. This is about maybe 1/4 inch. And then pepper seeds, I'm going to take about 1/2 teaspoon whole pepper. And next is the coriander seeds. So this is about 1/2 teaspoon whole seeds. And the next thing is cumin seeds, about 1/4 teaspoon. And 1 cloves. Okay, just 1 cloves. Next thing is I'm going to crush it here. Now you can also powder this, but I would prefer the crushed ones because the crushed one gives a nice flavor, like not too strong. And you can see at the left side I'm showing you the powdered one, and I added some whole pepper in it because it was not that spicy, so I added some extra pepper to that. So that is how the powdered spice powder looks. And this one, if you are crushing, be careful with your bench top. You don't want to crack it, so keep it on a towel or a mat to crush it. And here is the coarse powder that I made. You can crush it like this and store it for bulk powder. So now the crushed spice powder is ready. So this is what we will use for making the drink. So to prepare the drink, you need 1 cup of water. So this is for 1 serving, okay? And add the crushed spice powder. Now for sweetness, you can add sugar or jaggery. And if you are using honey, add it in the end, okay, just before drinking and not when you are boiling it. So now heat it and let the drink come to a boil. And once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to very low. Okay, keep it on very low and simmer for 5 minutes. So now you can turn it off and let it sit for at least 3 minutes, okay, before you strain it. So now the drink is ready, and remember to have this hot, okay? So just wait for 3 minutes and then strain it and drink it. So here is the pepper drink, and you will really love it, especially if you're having it for the first time, when you have that severe throat pain, you'll feel that pepper, you feel that burning sensation in your throat. It'll give you a good relief, and especially at night, you can have this, if you are waking up the middle of the night with a pain, you can have this and go to sleep, because it is going to help you to sleep without much pain. So to prepare for kids for 4 to 8 year olds, I have a small piece of cinnamon, then 3 pepper, and that's the coriander seeds. It's about 16 coriander seeds. I counted it. And then cumin seeds, it's about 1/8 teaspoon, okay, maybe about 2 pinches, and 1 clove. Again, you crush it the same way. So you can store this in a small container like this, and you can use when needed. So for kids, you can use maybe half a teaspoon of this powder to 1 cup water. And it's the same process. You bring it to a boil, and once it starts boiling, you reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, then turn it off. And for kids, they can't have it hot, so it has to be warm. So if you are adding honey, add it just before giving them, okay? So after you strain it and before drinking, just add the honey and mix it. And with kids, you can't really say how they're going to like it. And this is my daughter's reaction. Yeah, but it's a good one. But it's a really good drink. If they have it, they're going to get instant relief. And this was a honest feedback. You know what you can expect from kids after drinking this.
The worst thing I ever tasted in my life.
Okay, so that's the sore throat relief drink recipe, and hope you will make it when you have a sore throat, and I hope it gives you relief from the pain. So if you did try it, just let me know in the comments like how it helped, if it worked for you or your kids. Okay, so I will see you with another recipe next week. Until then, take care and stay safe.